So what do I mean by a clean link? So I'm going to show you how to do this, okay? So I am going to share my screen and go to Amazon.com. Let's just start there. And I'm going to just put in my book. Okay, so here's my book, and I'm just going to click on there. Okay, so here's my book. So here's your link up here. That's a big monster. And all these funky metrics up here are leading Amazon back to you. So we want to get rid of that so they can't track it back to you. And that will be a clean link. And the clean link is something you want to put on your social media, send to your friends, hey, my book's available, put on any promotions, etc. Because just in case they, click on it, leave a review, etc., you don't want Amazon to know it came from you. Okay, so here's how you do it. It's actually pretty easy. This whole mess up here, you see this? You want to take from the REF. You see the REF? You see my cursor up here? From REF onwards. Okay, that's all tracing back to you. So get rid of it. Boink. Now what you should also do is get rid of the title, oddly enough. So I'm going to get rid of the title that's in that link as well, but I want to keep one of the backslashes here, one of them on one of the ends. So I am going to take that whole amount, keep one of the backslashes. There it is. Boom. Okay, there's my clean link. So from ref on, ditch it, and get rid of the title. There you go. There's my clean link. Now I like to always double check it, so I'm going to copy it, go into a new tab, and drop in the tab, and click. Boom, it brought me where I wanted to go. So that is a clean link. Kind of groovy, huh? Thanks.